Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Ask Amity Show. Today, we'd like to talk to you about death. So no one seems to want to talk about the process of dying with family members, let alone doctors, but it's really important that we do talk about it in order to get what we want, basically, and let others know, how we want to be treated if and when we get to that situation. That's why setting up an Advance Health Care Directive is essential. With the advancement of modern medicine, there are situations where certain medical treatments may prolong your life. But what kind of life do you want prolonged? That's the question only you can answer for what you want to happen to your life and what type of quality of life you want.
So you can make certain decisions ahead of time, such as whether to prolong your life in certain situations, as well as whether or not you want the alleviation of pain using certain types of medication. Secondly, you can also appoint someone you trust and would understand how you would like to be treated. Many times, spouses name each other or parents may name their children. But again, this is something that is personal to you. Sometimes you know your spouse and you know your children, certain children may act in a way that you don't want them to act. If you know that they are too close to the problem, too close to make the hard decision that you want them to make, then you may want to appoint somebody who isn't too close to the problem. So life is fragile and death is something we all must go through and we must talk about. If we know we have certain preferences, we know that we want to be treated in a certain way at the end of our life. Most people do know what they want. Most people do have certain wishes and certain preferences. And if we know that, then we need to make that known to our loved ones, because a lot of times they won't know. And it's very difficult for our loved ones and people around us at the end of our life to make those decisions without knowing what it is that we want. That's all we have for you today. Make sure you talk to your family about your end of life decisions and make sure that it's written down. If you want to talk to us about your choices and the type of decisions you can make, give us a call. We offer free consultations, and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. That's all.